Oh yeah? How big? Oh wow.
Okay, so
Oh wow.
title. I'm just gonna.
All right, we're gonna do fireworks. Got the fireworks
I got
here,
something like that. I need to find it.
but now it's raining. It was 30 minutes ago. It was 100 degrees. Hi Simon. And yeah. We'll have to wait. Oh wow, let's see you light this. Ooh. Yeah, let's see the blue one.
Whoa. Oh, it's shooting into the ground. It's gonna be stained blue.
From my angle, this
Isn't
is
that
beautiful.
hot? Turn my shoes blue.
No. All right, we're there. We got the fireworks. Milo's here. We're all set to do the parachuter dudes.
And okay, let me just leave that open.
Yeah. All right, we got the first paratrooper here. Or light them up. Yeah, I'm launching them. There she goes. Where'd he go? He didn't even open. Guys, I think these parachutes are faulty. We should have tested him before we dropped them into Normandy. He's been killed. His head's been blown off. His head is gone. His head. Second attempt on this. Trying this again. Here he goes. There he goes. He's falling. He's gliding. He's doing it. Second attempt was a success. You got him. No, you killed him. Ah! All right, we're doing the big military guy now. There we go. He's up. There we go.
Oh! Where's he going?
No.
Catch him! He's gone. No! We shall salute him. Do, do, do. Okay.
All right, one casualty, but that's all right. Oh no, it's facing the road. Oh, get away!
Oh!
That looks like a cop, but it's not.
We're not doing anything.
This way, so you can see him. Yeah, 2-1.
Oh!
There's only one parachute.
Oh!
What?
What?
Catch him! Catch him! Catch him! Yeah!
Woo!
Oh, it's like a total action figure, dude. Oh, dude, it's an actual toy.
Yeah, that's what I said when you got up there. Oh, you got that one stuck. Yeah, well, now you can give that one to somebody.
What's up, man? Ah! Oh yeah.
Go, go, go.
Oh wow. Look, you got a new antenna, bub. What are you doing? This is a stupid idea, but let's do it. Yeah, I know.
Stupid idea. What's gonna happen?
Do it.
How? The engine already blows up every time it's running. It's just explosion.
Bro, right here, look. It's built for it. Hammy's made for it.
Oh wow.
Hold on, I don't know if you should aim it.
Perfect. That is perfect.
I need a video of this.
Dan Hayden's new bottle.
Oh, hey, you got the same one as me.
What?
Put a heat wave sticker on it though. Hey, ready?
Wait, let me Snapchat it.
What is
Snapchat. Go. This is how Hammy.
This is how you power a car, boy.
Hammy. America.
America. Nice.
Oh, did
Hey.
you take him out of here?
Hey, Cody, give me light.
Ah.
Come on, love. There you go. Oh. Bro, why don't they make all cigarettes do that?
You light it with the Zippo.
Hey, you can't hold it very tight. Like, it needs to be super loose.
Yeah.
Will that give you a wood chip cut, like, for like a splinter in the lips?
I wouldn't do that.
Hey, wait, it's gotta go straight up. Hey, it's gonna... No, wait, it shoots sparks down when you shoot it.
Exactly.
Yeah.
That's
it-
why
it
you.
burns.
Yeah, that's why he's wearing glasses.
Exactly.
This is stupid.
Hey, Hey, man. It's gonna just blow up because he's not lighting the fuse. You want me to light it? Oh, there we go. Oh my. Walk away from the car.
I wouldn't do that. Oh.
Okay, guys.
We gave him a jet.
We gave him a jetpack.
Why use a bottle rocket?
Because that wouldn't go.
Yeah, the bottle rockets we have are too small.
Yeah, bottle rocket.
We should tie a bug to a bottle rocket. That'd be cool.
He's got a parachute, so maybe he'll come back down.
I don't think he's going up. I think he's just spinning around and dying.
Ready? Here he goes.
Fly, my son! Be free!
Oh no.
No! The parachute's on fire! Fire! Get the fire!
Stomp on it. Just stomp it.
Yeah, it's gone.
How does he look? Let's see how he looks.
His face is melted. Oh,
No.
I got it all over the
It's Two-Face, my guys. It's Two-Face.
It really is.
Steroids! Yeah!
Better film that. Wait, golf something.
Oh, yeah.
No.
What's wrong with you? Stop
You
it!
have to do, Miles. You go.
Bruh.
That's not funny. Those things can hurt.
Maya, you go. And you like look.
That's not well done, boys.
Yay.
All right, golf it. Golf it. Golf it. All right, she's on it.
All right, let's go. America.
Simon, look.
Ah!
That looks so cool. Blow it out. Candle. Happy birthday. Ow! Gosh, Bob. You shot a spark in it.
Yeah! Yeah! America! All right, we're lighting off a big one.
Big one.
Big one time, baby. Meow, meow. Meow, meow.
Well, boys!
Happy 4th of July!
Oh, yeah, I bought these.
Ah!